In this video, I will show you how to connect Google Calendar to Claude. First, navigate to your profile in Claude and click Settings. From there, go to the Connectors section. If you want to connect Google Calendar, click Add, then select Browse Connectors. Search for Google Calendar in the list and click the plus icon to connect it. You will then be prompted to sign in with your Google account. After selecting your account, review the permissions for viewing, editing, and managing your calendar events. You can select individual permissions or check Select All, then click Continue to complete the setup. Once connected, you can use Claude to analyze meetings, review attendance patterns, or even create calendar events directly through prompts. For example, you can enter a prompt like, "Create a new event for me on Google Calendar. The event name is Client Meetup. Date 31st August 2026, time 10 p.m. local time." After sending the prompt and allowing the action, Claude will create the event automatically. You can then open your Google Calendar to confirm that the Client Meetup event has been added to your schedule for August 31st.